You are going to learn 3 ways to compliment a man to make him fall in love with you. The first compliment you should give a man is to compliment his style. For example, they would say you have a great smile or you have some beautiful eyes. This is a direct way to compliment something they were born with. He wasn't able to choose his smile or eye color, but you can compliment on his sense of style which he was able to choose. So when you compliment a man's clothes or shoes, it is less direct and it is meaningful. The second way to compliment a man is to his traits. For example, if he is good at dancing, a lot of people tell him how good he is and after a while it loses its meaning. But if you compliment him on how hard he had to work on his moves and how many hours it must have taken to get to that point, it would be more of a meaningful compliment than just being good at dancing. The third way to compliment a man is to show him how much of a man he is. If you make him feel like a man around you, he is going to want to be around you. For example, if you tell a man, "I feel safe with you," make him feel like he is a superhero with you. He feels powerful with you, so he is going to be drawn to you. Don't take these tips lightly, these are very powerful. If you like these tips, make sure you subscribe to the channel, so you can be notified when I upload new videos.